Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. These are the stasher. Welcome to the stasher squad. So this is the frozen bag, or whatever you call it, TPU or pouch, to frozen your food so it doesn't go bad. And we used to use a Ziploc bag for the frozen. So we decided not to throw anything to the landfill. So we try to save some money. At the same time, purchase this reusable. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this. So I unwrapped it last time with two of the frosted clear. So this one is the rainbow bundle. Oh my goodness. She go crazy. What are you going to do with this small bag? So you just pop this open. So it's very small. How you get your finger in there? And this is almost like a purse slide, or and you got the stasher. Yellow. This is red. Yep. And then you got two at this side, pink and green. Oh, mint. And this one like orange. There's another size similar to this, red. And similar to this one look bigger. And this one's lavender. Blue. Green. Oh, there's another small one. Purple one. And then this one is the yellow. Purple again, right? Oh, this one's got some leftover material inside there. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.